limited space doesn't have to limit your fruit-growing ambitions. With thoughtful planning and strategic choices, you can create a small-scale orchard that yields a variety of delicious fruits. Here's a guide to help you maximize your space and cultivate a fruitful mini orchard. 1. Selecting the right fruits. Opt for fruit varieties that are well suited to small spaces and container gardening. Consider dwarf or compact fruit trees, berry bushes, and vine fruits. 2. Planning your orchard. Determine the available space and sunlight in your area. Map out the layout of your orchard, considering factors like spacing, access to sunlight, and the potential for vertical growth. 3. Container gardening. Utilize containers for growing fruit trees, especially those that are naturally smaller or have been grafted onto dwarf rootstocks. Containers offer flexibility and allow you to move plants as needed. 4. Trellises and espaliers. Certain fruit trees, like apple and pear trees, to grow against trellises or in espalier patterns against walls or fences. This maximizes vertical space and provides a decorative element. 5. Berry bushes and vines. Grow compact berry bushes such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Vertical vine fruits like grapes or kiwis can be trained to grow upwards, saving space. 6. Proper pruning. Regular pruning is essential for maintaining the size and shape of your fruit trees. Prune to encourage healthy growth, remove dead wood, and increase fruit production. 7. Soil preparation. Amend your soil with organic matter and ensure proper drainage. Consider using raised beds or containers with high-quality potting mix for optimal growth. 8. Pollination considerations. Some fruit trees require cross-pollination for fruit production. Choose self-pollinating varieties or plant multiple compatible trees for successful pollination. 9. Proper watering. Provide consistent and appropriate watering to your fruit plants. Use mulch to retain soil moisture and prevent weed growth. 10. Pest and disease management. Implement preventive measures like regular inspections and proper sanitation to minimize pest and disease issues. Consider using natural methods to control pests. 11. Fertilization. High-balanced, slows-release fertilizers according to the specific needs of your fruit plants. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive growth at the expense of fruit production. 12. Harvesting. Learn the optimal harvesting times for each fruit variety. Pick fruits at their peak of ripeness for the best flavor and quality. 13. Seasonal care. Different fruit types may require specific care during different seasons. Understand the seasonal needs of your plants, from winter dormancy to spring blossoming. 14. Enjoying the harvest. Reap the rewards of your efforts by indulging in the flavorful fruits of your labor. Share your bounty with friends and family, and savor the taste of homegrown produce. 15. Continuous learning. Small-scale fruit gardening is a learning process. Be open to experimentation, adapt to challenges, and continually expand your knowledge. By implementing these ideas and approaches, you can create a thriving small-scale orchard that produces a variety of delicious fruits in even the most limited spaces. Your efforts will be rewarded with the satisfaction of enjoying homegrown fruit